back to my channel. This afternoon I'm working with a range of fruits that is very good for the health and also useful for cooling people down during the summer or hot weather. I have papaya. Some people call it papaya, but in Nigeria we call it pawpaw. So I'm going to be peeling it, just removing the skin. Remove the seeds and chop into nice cubes. This I'm going to serve with a spoon. Enjoy. Thank you for watching our series on how to walk or serve a range of fruits. See you next time. Bye-bye.